Hey guys, so today I'm taking pictures of beautiful birds because I recently got a very thick lens. So I just want to begin to try out the birds photography, and this big lens would be perfect for a very new bag from PGYTECH. This is a new OneGo Solo V2, 6 liters from PGYTECH, my favorite camera accessory company. My favorite thing about this bag is that you get a nice big zip, which means it's so easy to pack away my camera. And by the way, this camera strap, which is also amazing, is also from PGYTECH. Just like the big zip, inside is very spacious. So what I do is I just throw it away with all the cushion lining as usual for PGYTECH OneGo series. My camera, my new lens are all very safe here. Some of you guys may think this 6-liter bag is a little too big, then don't worry, there is also 4-liter bag. But if you think 4-liter, 6-liter bags are too small, then in this design there is also a 10-liter bag. Having a wide range of PGYTECH camera gears, I do love my OneGo Solo sling bag. However, that bag was a little bit tiny. It doesn't carry my big camera. But with my brand new OneGo Solo V2 bag, this is 6-liter. I chose 6-liter because I already have the Solo sling bag, and I also do love my backpack from PGYTECH. So now this 6-liter is something in between, and it can carry camera with different lenses and so on. So today I'm going to quickly show you what I'm carrying inside. So inside I actually just carried one divider today, but there are 2 dividers here. It has all these pockets, which is super useful, but today I brought big camera, so I actually can take one divider out. They are all adjustable. And first there's the PGYTECH Mantis Pod, the camera with the PGYTECH camera strap with the big lens today, sunglasses case, and my little camera which I'm actually using right now. This is the PGYTECH Mantis Pod head, and inside you can carry an iPad, but today I just brought like Ricola. To show you in greater detail, 4-liter OneGo Solo V2 bag can carry a mini iPad. And 6-liter can carry 11-inch iPad Pro, so that's the one that I'm holding. And 10-liter bag can even carry 14-inch MacBook. But the goodie part now starts on this side. So this goodie part I have to show you in clearer detail. So here I am. So I packed my 6-liter bag to the max. I have camera with a lens and also another lens, and inside there is the filter mouse pocket, so you can even carry external hard drive, and underneath there is the secret magnetic mesh pocket for anything really important like a credit card. And here there is a zip compartment as well, so unzip it, you get the filter mouse pocket. So there are 4 different slots where you can put, for example, batteries or microphones, with the magnetic coin to indicate whether the battery is full or not. Really beautiful. And on the outside pocket, it's so handy because I can put my mobile phone in here. But my favorite part, a little secret on the OneGo Solo V2 is here. There is a little secret here. Ta-da! This is a little pocket for my water. It's very, very big. This can carry up to 550 milliliter. And if you want to tighten it, then all you need to do is just still very hot. So if you have the water bottle here, then you can actually move the zip this way. You can open it this way, you can close it this way, in any direction that you want. And of course, all the zip from PGYTECH bag, they do have YKK theft-proof zip. So I can put the end of the zip through the hook, so it will be super duper safe. And in terms of safety, one of the reasons why I love the sling bag is you can actually have it at the front very naturally. can have it at the back, just like a shoulder bag, and you can have it at the front, just like sling bags. So this OneGo Solo V2 design is perfect. Wow, the swans are back in the sea. So I had to just stop here right now and then take photos of the swans. And one of the things I love about these PGYTECH accessories is that you can increase the strap if you need to, but you can also decrease the strap. Really easy mechanism, and it gives you a full support for the camera. And the same quick, easy buckle mechanism goes into this OneGo Solo V2 bag. This quick adjust mechanism, you just need to pull it down. So if you're a tall person, then you can lengthen it like this. This for me would be a bit more like the shoulder bag. But if you prefer to have it a bit like a sling bag, you can just adjust it all the way up. Very easy and very quick to adjust. Then in this kind of sling case scenario, then you can have it in front like this for safety if you are in a very touristy area and so on. Or you can have it sort of on your back as well. So this is a quick buckle, you just need to pull it down. And even for further adjustment, you have the other side as well, where you can adjust to suit your height. And at whatever length, it does have a very thick shoulder padding. This is an upgraded version, so it's even more comfortable. So for any weight, because this OneGo Solo V2 bag can carry a lot. For 4 liter, it can carry up to 4 kilograms. For 6 liter, in my case, it can carry up to 5 kilograms. And for 10 liters, it can carry up to 8 kilograms. Right now, you may wonder why I have one glove off, because for me to sort of adjust to different camera modes and so on, I actually took it off for convenient purposes. But you guys know that PGYTECH recently came up with a new set of gloves, especially for photographers, videographers, for cold climates, and also those gloves can be used for the summertime as well. I'm taking the videos of the birds, they're so beautiful, and of course you do need a tripod for that. You might wonder, this OneGo Solo V2, can it carry a tripod? And the answer is yes, it can, because there are straps included in this bag. So in these straps there are hooks and there are loops at the bottom, really strong. So yes, they can be carried just like here. So if you do need to use a tripod, then they do give solution. So even if you want to go some serious photography, videography, then you can do so by just only carrying OneGo Solo V2. At the back, there is a handle. So it's really convenient to carry around or handle. So I've had a very fun day chasing birds in different spots, and I think it was more fun thanks to OneGo Solo V2 bag, because this is only 6 liters. So it only allowed me to carry the very essential, but it still managed to carry the big lens on my proper camera and the camera shoulder straps, sunglasses, everything that I really needed in this bag. Yet it was light for me to just carry in different places, and I was on my bike as well. So I can really see that this OneGo Solo V2 bag, it will be my go-to bag when I travel, when I do a little day trip, or when I travel abroad as well. This is super convenient, especially with this sort of sling back design. I can carry it in front of me as well as at the back. It's so easy to just ride my bicycle just like this. Super convenient, super travel friendly. So if you want to check out all 3 different types of OneGo Solo V2 bag, then don't forget to check the link down below, and I'll continue with interesting gadget review. So for today, au revoir.